Hello guys, today I'm cooking fried noodles. This is my prawns, king prawns with chopped ginger, garlic. This is chopped carrots. This is sweet green pepper. You can use all kind of pepper, but I'm just only using sweet green pepper, carrots, prawns, garlic, ginger, and bean sprouts. This is bean sprouts. So, and this is the noodles, washed and dry. Always dry it before you start frying it, otherwise it's gonna go soggy. And this is the mix sauce I'm gonna put: soya sauce, light, dark, sesame seed oil, and a little bit of chili powder, and a little bit of cube, no cube, and some oyster sauce. Yeah. Also, I've used it to marinate. Some people use sugar, but because I don't eat sugar, so I've already marinated this one with all the sauces: oyster sauce, dark sauce, sesame oil, blah blah blah. Um, you know, garlic, ginger is there. It's optional. If you like, don't put ginger and garlic. If you want to do it the proper way Chinese people do it. I put some chili here because I like a little hot food. So I'm using only one green color of pepper. So let's start the cooking now. This is the oil in the wok. Heat up. First of all, I will fry the carrot because that is a bit. I'm going to fry the carrots. And I fry the carrots. If you want to fry the carrots, you can fry it separate where you fry carrots, you tip it out, fry the sweet pepper, tip it out, fry the prawns, tip it out. I haven't got that much time like that, so it depends on how you want it. So I'll fry this a little bit, not to overcook it so that it will be crunchy when you eat it. So when I fry on this hot pan, I just push it aside like that. Then tip in my oil again, a little bit of olive oil. I'm using olive oil. Then put in my prawn. You see the prawn is cooking. Put in my prawn. Fry. You can use chicken, you can use beef, you can use any meat of your choice to do this fried noodles or fried chame. I'm using king prawns today. You see, so to use chicken, any meat, you got to slice it very thin so that it can cook quick when you fry. So I put that one aside. Then I put my sweet pepper, sweet bell pepper. You can use the green and the yellow. You can make it any color you want to use, any color of veg. You can use cauliflower, broccoli, spring onions, and just make it colorful. It's just your choice. So now I'm gonna mix everything together, cook all them together. As it is like this now, you can eat with boiled rice, just like this. But I'm not doing rice anyway, I'm doing chame, fried noodles. Then what's next is I'm gonna put this bean sprouts. Gonna put my bean sprouts. Tip in some oil. Healthy oil. I use olive oil. You guys know me, I use healthy oil. You can use coconut oil, you can use any oil to cook. Sometimes use coconut oil, you can see it is there. So while this one is frying, don't over fry it or don't overcook it because you want it crunchy when you eat it. So now I'm gonna put my noodles. I'm gonna tip in the sauce now, the mixed soy sauce and sesame seed oil to give it, that flavor. When you cook your noodles, when you buy it from the shop, you use boiled hot water to soak it for maybe 5 minutes or 4 minutes. Then you sieve it out and use like a kitchen towel to dry out all the water before you use it to cook your fried noodles. If you tip it with the water like that, it's gonna go soggy and it won't look nice. So always use hot water first from the packet, soak it for maybe 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 3 minutes. Then you drain the water and use kitchen towel. You use this kitchen towel to dry it. Then see, prawn chicken, prawn chame, prawn fried noodles is what I'm doing today. Okay, guys, so please, I beg you all to go to my subscription box and poke the bell or click the bell and subscribe and leave your comments. And I would like any improvement or any criticism. I welcome you all. So please, guys, go down there and keep subscribing. And that is the king prawn noodle chame cooked now. And thank you guys for all my subscribers and all who are still contemplating. Please go on then, don't waste time. Well, subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. It's free. Just poke it with your hand. Okay, guys, and thank you, and bye.